Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi 12 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all, we have to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with a square icon. And if you've got the gestures, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, just like that. And after releasing, you can see that the recents will be opened. If you've got some apps opened and if you want to close only one of them, simply find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you've got a lot of them opened and you want to close all of them, simply tap on this X button, which will close all previously opened apps. We had the information there's nothing to clear in cache. Let's enter the recents, and as you can see, we've got this text, no recent items, which simply means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.